morning, and in the afternoon he makes the tea. He's a good feminist. He tries to endorse my project.
Ще отидем определите сега за следната книга в Жени. Как в ангажментите ви?
Yeah, in the next book, I'll try to exploit him even more, as much as possible.
Just wanted to ask because there is some kind of film quality in the book. At moments it sounds like it could be a good script for a movie. Have you thought about this? And if yes, who would like you to be Matthias?
Thank you for that question. Actually, when I was writing it, I was very much inspired by TV series, the quality television. So the book, I think, has this serial structure. 13 girls, it's like 13 parts. Yeah, this is season 1. So yes, I'm glad you noticed that it's actually written much like a script. And as for the main character and Hollywood actors, I was thinking about Casey Affleck, but he is actually getting a bit old now, so we will think.
I think Ryan Gosling.
He's also getting a bit old. I mean, we need but Ryan Gosling, I accept.
Мисля дека сега тук е доволно. Може да я завършиме вечерта. Я препущам вам сега авторката, ако има некои прашања или подписи за книги.
Can I just take this opportunity to thank also the Antolog publishers, especially Valentina and Žarko, who have made our staying here really feel like at home. So thank you.